How to add custom text to your reel. Let's check it out. After you select and add your reel, you're going to hit the next button. Then you're going to hit the text button at the top right of the screen. There is already on-screen text added to the Reels video inside the Referral Agent membership. You are going to add text if you would like to add your contact information or another call to action. Once you are finished with adding your on-screen text, you can then use the slider button to the left of the screen. Use your finger on the screen to slide it up and down, which will make the text larger or smaller. To customize it further, use the icons at the top of the menu to select and center the text, align the text, change the color of the text, or change the font of the text. Once you finalize your text, tap on the screen with the text and use your finger to drag it to the position that you want to on the screen. Then tap on the text bubble at the bottom of the screen to adjust the timing of the text by dragging the slider bar across to where you want it. Watch the reel in its entirety to make sure that your text shows up when you want it to on the reel. When you're satisfied with the timing of the text on your reel, go ahead and hit next, add your caption, and post the reel video.